Updating your payout destination on Kraken is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is set up correctly for withdrawals. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Access the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to sign into your account. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Funding. Once logged in, locate the Funding tab in the main menu. Click on it to access your funding options, including deposits and withdrawals. Step 3. Select Payout Method. In the Funding section, find the option for Withdraw or Payout. Click on it to view the available payout methods in your current payout destination. Step 4. Update your payout destination. Choose the payout method you want to update. If you need to add a new destination, click on Add or Edit next to the current payout destination. Enter the required information such as bank account details or wallet address. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new payout destination, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the changes. You may need to verify your identity or complete additional security steps. After completing these steps, your payout destination will be updated. Always ensure that your information is accurate to avoid any issues with future withdrawals.